Leveraging AI techniques in an e-commerce business can significantly enhance the various aspects of business operations, ranging from customer experience to inventory management. Hi, I'm Inderpreet Singh and I'll be discussing the various key AI tools to enhance your e-commerce business online. Now, the very first one is chatbot and virtual assistants, and the various examples include Zendesk AI, Drift, or IBM Watson Assistant. Now, what is the functionality? Now, these tools provide real-time customer support, answer frequently asked questions of the users, and guide users through the buying process. Now, it ultimately reduces the need for live agents, ensures 24 by 7 customer service, and improves customer satisfaction. Now, nextly, there is personalized recommendations. The most famous one are Amazon Personalize or the Adobe Target. Now, what is the functionality? These tools analyze customer behavior, purchase history, and browsing patterns to suggest products tailored to individual preferences. Now, this can increase sales and customer loyalty by presenting relevant products, leading to a higher conversion rates. Now, next comes the most famous, that is inventory management. The most famous examples are NetSuite and TradeGecko. TradeGecko is a Singapore-based inventory management software application company, and the functionality of such a software is that it enables AI-powered inventory management that can predict demand, optimize stock levels, especially to prevent overstocking or stockouts. Now, what is the benefit? It ensures optimal inventory levels, reduce storage costs, and improve cash flow management. Now, this is a very integral part of your e-commerce business that you have to maintain and optimize the inventory levels. Nextly comes the dynamic pricing. Now, what are the famous examples? That is PriceSync. PriceSync is a very important one, and then there is Intelligence Node. Now, the functionality of these AI tools is that it can use algorithms to adjust prices in real time based on demand, competition, and other market forces. It maximizes profits by ensuring competitive pricing and reacting to market changes rapidly. So, this can help you adjust the market prices and to adjust your prices according to the competitive prices very rapidly. Now, next comes the customer insights and analytics. Or what are the examples of customer insights and analytics? The very famous one is Google Analytics. It is a very famous one, and these days Google Analytics is used by all the e-commerce players. Then there is Microsoft Power, powered by BI. Now, the functionality of such a application is that it is AI driven and performs and analyzes large databases to provide actionable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and sales performance. Now, this enables data driven decision making, helping to refine marketing strategies and improve overall business operations in the long run. Along with these AI tools, there is another one which is visual search. And the most famous visual search AI tools are Pinterest Lens, Google Lens, and Slice. Now, what is the functionality of such a AI application? That it allows customers to search for products using images instead of text, enhancing the shopping experience. Now, it improves user engagement and increases the likelihood of conversions by making it easier for customers to find what they want. Next comes another important AI tool, that is fraud detection. Fraud detection is a very important software which is used by all the e-commerce players. The most famous examples are Riskified. It's again a Singapore based software, and there is Signified. Now, the functionality of such softwares is that it uses machine learning to detect fraudulent transactions in real time by analyzing patterns and anomalies. Now, it reduces financial losses due to fraud and ensure a safer shopping environment for the customers as well as for the e-commerce sellers. Now, at last comes the AI-enabled voice search optimization. The most famous examples are Algolia and Dialogflow. Algolia is a search and discovery API that supports voice search helping businesses optimize their platforms for voice queries. Alongside Dialogflow, which is a Google AI tool for building conversational interfaces, including voice search capabilities of e-commerce sites. Now, the applications of such a software are that it enhances voice activated shopping. That is, customers can use voice commands to search for products, check order status, and make purchases, offering a freehand shopping experience. Also, it will lead to enhanced accessibility. That is, voice search makes e-commerce platforms more accessible to users with disabilities or those who prefer voice interaction. AI tools are transforming e-commerce industry by enhancing customer experiences, streamlining operations, and driving sales to the e-commerce businesses. Now, by leveraging these AI tools, e-commerce businesses can stay competitive in a rapidly growing market by offering personalized, efficient, and a secure shopping experience. Now, let's begin with the course.